So let's have a look at his body if I can. Don't want to fiddle with it too much because obviously I don't want to break anything, but again, just checking if there's any signs of damage to the wood or woodworm or anything. His trousers are glued to him. So yeah, he's fine. Pull his trousers, pull his top down. Let's have a look. Strings aren't tangled. So yeah, so he's nice and dust free now. So I've just I've got the end of it in the pot that I've got my stationery and stuff in, just so I don't damage the mechanism. And that's the lady one. So there they are, they're nice and clean. This one kind of reminds me of Ned. Ned Ferratu is my little clay character I made. Hello. Who's got many broken fingers, unfortunately. I've got to make him new hands. Yeah, I can't sculpt hands, but I'm quite pleased with his little face. And then I made him so he's quite movable and baggy, so if I put strings on him he could be a puppet as well. See, he's now got two friends. So I'm gonna have to sort my shelf out so I've got somewhere to display them, because at the minute Ned's displayed with the rest of my dolls, but I kind of want like a little sort of old clay doll stroke puppet display on my shelf. So yeah, I'll sort that out. But yeah, for now these are nice and clean. So yeah, hopefully I'll do some little videos of them and get used to operating them. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.